my name is Trista Herman, and this is my demonstration of a water-driven timer. I'm going to start with my initial reservoir right here that I have marked. It is actually a liter of water that I'm starting with. I'm going to be putting it into my starting reservoir here. At that point, it will come through my regulated valve into my collection tank here. Once that happens, as the water comes through that valve, it will come into the reservoir tank or the collection tank, and it'll cause this styrofoam in here to rise the dowel rod, which we have marked here with our arrow. As the dowel rod comes up at the given times, 15, 45, and 60 seconds, you will start to see a mark, and that will indicate with our timer here. And we'll go ahead and start the demonstration. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you guys can see, we're almost at the 10 mark. You see our dowel rod starting to move here. We are almost at 15 seconds. 15 seconds, you see the first mark. And basically what's going on here is our water is coming down at a consistent rate into our collection tank and causing the styrofoam to move. We're at 30 seconds, a little over 30 seconds now. We are at almost 45 seconds. You can see the 45-second mark comes up, matches the time here. We are approaching our 60-second mark, and as you can see, our 60-second mark comes up and our third mark is hit. Okay, at this point, I'm going to stop our clock. I'm going to take our reservoir tank here, our collection tank here, and I'm going to empty it back into our initial tank. And as you can see, our line is still the same and we have no spillage. Thanks for watching. Okay, nice. Here I'm going to explain all of the parts that I used for my water-driven timer. If you want to come in a little bit closer, we can show you. This right here is actually a piece of styrofoam that we collected from a printer that we recently bought. We just kind of chopped it down. This right here is a 2-liter bottle that we've recycled. The frame of our construction here is actually a file crate that I found in my garage. Let's see. These pieces right here, I don't know if you can see them very well, they are actually parts from our sprinkler system that we recently replaced over the summer. This piece right here is a hose connector for a garden hose. These pieces right here are actually bamboo skewers for barbecuing. This is a piece of styrofoam that we just cut out and colored. To hold our dowel rod in place, we have a piece of straw that we cut. Then we put a piece of duct tape over top of it and screwed in a little eyelet hole, or eye loop, just to secure it in place. Now if you look down a little bit farther, you see their dowel rod. This was actually the only thing that I purchased. I think it was about 68 cents to purchase. Then I have a vase that I borrowed from my mom. Thanks, Mom. And to basically keep it steady, we used a cutting board, which we had. So, and a couple bungee cords. I don't know if you can see them here and here to hold it all in place. And we had some duct tape we actually used here to hold it in place also. So basically the whole cost of my project was 68 cents, which was my dowel rod. And that's it.